Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today, I'm back with another video on how to update Instagram highlights cover without posting it on your story. If you are looking for a way to add Instagram highlight covers to your profile without adding it to your story, or you're simply trying to hide your highlight covers icon from your followers, here's how to do it. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Tap Open your Instagram application from your app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your Instagram account. From the home page of Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Now, tap on one of your Instagram highlights, which is located at the top, right below the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and press hold to one of them. Once you do that, in the expanded menu at the bottom, you'll be able to see numerous of options. Select Edit Highlights from the option. Now tap on Edit Cover from this page. Swipe left and select one of the image that you'd like to use as a cover. Resize the cover image how you'd want it to appear on your cover. Now after you're done, tap on the Done button at the top right. You can also go through your phone library and choose one of the covers from your gallery. Once you're done selecting, tap Done at the top right, and that is it. Your cover will appear on your Instagram account but not in your Instagram story. Tap on Done at the top right one more time and you'll be able to see your Instagram highlights cover updated without posting it on your story. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.